हाँ रमेश सर, थैंक यू। चलिए, तो जरूरी है कि हमें ये पता हो कि कॉल क्या है, पुट क्या है, कॉल राइटिंग क्या है, पुट राइटिंग क्या है, ओपन इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है, ये हम आगे डिस्कस करते रहेंगे। तो आज क्या बना था, आज क्या डेटा बना था। तो दूसरी स्क्रीन पर, जैसे मैंने बताया, एक स्क्रीन पर मेरी ट्रेडिंग चल रही होती है, दूसरी स्क्रीन पर मेरे पास में ओपन इंटरेस्ट चार्ट होता है। ओपन इंटरेस्ट चार्ट और मैक्स पेन दो ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसको आपको कॉन्टिन्यूसली देखना ही देखना होता है। ठीक है, अगर आप मार्केट मतलब अगर आप चार्ट पर ट्रेडिंग करते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि चार्ट जो है वो आपको एक क्लियर पिक्चर बताएगा, नहीं। मैं फिर से एक बात रिपीट करूंगा, और ये मैं बार बार रिपीट करूंगा। इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ trader, a profitable trader, a trader who can predict the move. If you want to become such a trader, you need to see the data, not the candlestick. Okay, candlestick केवल आपको अब का प्राइस बताती है, डिसीजन मेकिंग नहीं बताती है। वो आपको एवरेज बता देगी, वो भी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पर बताएगी। क्लोज प्राइस क्या था, ओपन प्राइस क्या था, उसके बेसिस पर एवरेज निकाल के दे दिया, 200 ऐसे में, 20 ऐसे में, जो भी। So chart can only show you the historical thing, and it's not showing you it's not showing you that data which is being taken for the future. Getting my point? Means if at any when any candle is forming, in this candle, if it is green, so how we take it as that buyer was more and the seller was less. No, buyer and seller were equal. If you are going to buy something, there should be a seller. No? If there is no seller, how can you buy it? If you are going into the market, where there is a Monday market, Tuesday market, these type of market, you're going into that market, and suppose there is lockdown, there is nobody there. Can you buy it? No. Can you buy it on the higher price? No. How can you buy it on the higher price when there is no seller? So seller is there, buyer is also there. When green candle is forming, when it is making a green candle, when price is making a green candle, it means buyer was aggressive on seller. And when candle is red, in that particular time period, seller was aggressive than buyer. It means in that particular time period, I'm telling you time period, whether it is 15-minute candlestick, whether it is 1 hour candlestick, whether it is 1 week candlestick, in that time period for which price is forming that particular candle, in that time period, whether seller was aggressive, whether buyer was aggressive, that gives a candlesticks its shape, okay, whether it is green or red. So when buyer was ready to buy at any price, so price went upside. So when price went upside, it made a green candle. When seller was ready to sell at any price, price went down and it made a red candle. Getting my point? So in this case, red candle or green candle, whatever candle it is, it was due to the buyer and seller, and the buyer and the seller was equal. So sir, what is the meaning of volume? Let me tell you about the volume also. Okay, and then we will move on to today's discussion, what was happening there. All the people will be would be able to understand properly when you know how chart works. So I'm taking Nifty here. Before using anything, you should know what is the meaning of that particular thing which you are using. Okay, if you don't know about the formation of that particular volume or candlestick or moving average, if you don't know the meaning of that, you can't use it properly. So I'm taking volume here. So we can't see the volume on Nifty because it is indexed. So we need to use some Vanish here minus Reliance. Reliance Industry. You see here, in this time period, there is green volume or red volume. In this time period, there is green and red volume. Do not take it as a red or green. Okay, you need to. Okay, if you want to use volume, actually after some few classes, I will be explaining volume also. But right now, what I'm doing is I'm going to styles, just this, okay, and this. Now this is the actual volume. Okay, this is the right way to see the volume. This is the right way to see the volume. Sir, why not red and green? Red and green means nothing. Okay, red and green means nothing. It doesn't mean that if there is red volume, it means the seller was higher than buyers. No, it doesn't mean that. Or if it is green, then it means the buyer was higher than seller. It can't happen actually. Every time buyer and seller are equal. What matters is who was aggressive. Whether buyer was aggressive or seller was aggressive. Whoever was the aggressive, that will make a candle accordingly. So in this case, what is volume? Volume is the number of buyers and sellers, number of buying and selling contract, total. If the volume is increasing, means concentration on that particular price point is increasing. Okay? Concentration, focus of the people, of the traders, of HNI funds, of mutual funds, of insurance companies. The focus is diverting to that particular stock. That is why the number of bought and sold quantity is increasing. That is why volume is increasing. This is the only meaning of volume. Is everyone agree with me? Is everything? Everyone is getting my point? Please let me know in the chat box. Everyone understood what I told you? There is nothing like red volume, green volume. There is only volume. It doesn't mean red or green, nothing. Okay. You need to see if quantity of the if quantity traded is increasing, the volume is increasing. If it is increasing, means more focus is coming into that particular stock. If it is an uptrend and the volume is increasing, it means the uptrend is supported with the high volume. It means this has this strength. This trend has the strength. Okay. But how to know that price will increase or fall? Yes, sir. Volume will not be telling you price will increase or fall. No. Volume tells you if it is increasing, it is supported with high volume. It means if it is increasing, buyer is aggressive, and buyer is aggressive and the volume traded is high. It means it will sustain. Okay. The possibility of sustaining the price on those levels is high. If it is not supported with the volume, it may fall anytime because it went up just because of few contracts. Getting my point? If everyone is aggressive, if more and more people are aggressive for that particular stock, it means everyone is focusing on that particular share to buy. Like right now on Reliance, everyone is focusing that I need to buy Reliance, I need to buy Reliance. And now see the result. Volume is increasing. Here you see in 2 days, two or 3 days, volume was very high. Okay. So Chirag sir is asking, is it the same otherwise also when the price is down and volume is high? Exactly. Exactly. If price is falling, price has given a breakdown and it is with a high volume. It is with a high volume. It is the same case. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. to find it. I need to find a page in the book Mind, Market and Money. So in this book, there is a page in which he has said that if a stock, if a breakout or breakdown is supported with a volume, there is more chance. There are more chances of sustaining that breakout or break, because breakdown or breakout are fake and real both. Okay, sometimes these are fake, sometimes these are sustainable. Okay, but when it is sustainable, when it is not sustainable, when it is fake breakout or breakdown, this is the question. And now I'm going to tell you with two examples. Okay, first is this: if it is supported with a volume, then yes, it is sustainable. Okay, in the same case, there is a person who is a beginner in the stock market. Okay, like I was in 2017, I used to go in Professional Traders Academy, and in that in Patel Nagar. Okay, in that class, when I was taking the basics of the stock market, he told me what he told me. Let me tell you: if price broke this level, any resistance, this is breakout. If price broke this level, this is breakout. Okay, breakdown. Okay, these are two things. एक बेसिक पर्सन, एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसको स्टॉक मार्केट में कुछ नहीं आता. If there is a person who doesn't know anything in the stock market, and I told you that if price is breaking any support, it is breakout, we should short it. We should short it there. If price is giving a breakout, we should buy it, because now from here it will be going upside. But what happens with that particular person? He always do this. What he does, whenever price is giving breakout, he buy. Sometimes it sustains, sometimes it doesn't sustain. When it is not sustaining, he's complaining that, oh my God, sir told me that every time it will be going upside, but it is not going upside right now. It broke out and then came back, and I felt that I got the loss. So that was the basic study, na? To know the reason, or to know whether it is sustainable or not, you need to study the market on advanced level. Okay, means you need to, there is basic, this is the thing, breakout or breakdown. If you include it with the volume, this is a little bit advanced. Getting my point? That is why the move in the bank nifty, whatever, when any move is coming into the market, when the price is going upside or coming downside, you know, if it is going upside, it is an uptrend, it is going upside, I should buy. When the price is coming down, you know that price is coming down, I should sell. Getting my point? This is what? This is basic of the stock market. What is advanced? What is advanced? Let me tell you. How many of you saw the chart of Nifty today? Live? Is everything, every candle? Is there anyone here who was watching market today? We have nobody who was watching market today.
I was watching.
Everyone, okay. Okay. Let me show you 5-minute chart of Nifty. Okay. So this was the chart today. This is early chart, so I'm changing it to the 5-minute. So let me ask you one question. Everyone just go to the chat box. First of all, I'm not trying to show you that I told you that time. No, I am trying to show you the reason why I told you that time. Okay. So it happens with me every day. So I'm trying to show you why this happened. Okay, this is a simple rule. If you connect every rule, if you connect the dots, you will be able to trade from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay. So we are going to that particular message. This is at 1 p.m. That is, be ready for the fall in Nifty for the day as पता नहीं क्या. अच्छा, ये दया नहीं है, डेटा है. ओके, मैं जल्दी मैं टाइप कर रहा था, मेरा फोकस वहां था, तो इट वाज डेटा. ओके, वाई की जगह टी करना है. ओके, डेटा नीचे लिखा हुआ, हाईएस्ट को कॉल ओआई ओपन इंटरेस्ट एंड पुट अनवाइंड. So I told you I watch open interest continuously. Why I am telling you what I do? Because I want you to do that also, to keep a watch on the data of the market. Let me tell you one thing, where price is moving, that is history. Where contracts are moving, that is future. Okay, let me tell you again, where price is moving, has been moving, that is history. Where data, where the contract of the option or the future is moving, that is future. Getting my point? How many got my point? Please let me know in the chat box. Barabar? So that's very correct. Okay. So only Praveen sir understood what I'm telling you. Okay. So price जो आपको show कर रहा है, whatever price is showing you, that has happened. But where open interest is increasing or decreasing, so many people, I think many of you don't know about the open interest. I will be explaining. Open interest. Okay, what is, let me, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
वॉल्यूम नहीं है नवीन जी, वॉल्यूम.
I'm explaining again. If what is open interest? Open interest is the interest of the people which is now open, which has not closed. It is open, okay, for the buying or the selling. I will explain it in future in detail. So the open interest for upside, if it is developing in the current time, current period, if current time means it is 1 p.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., if it is developing in the current time, it is developing for the rest of the day, for the expiry, for the days left for the expiry. If at 15,600 call open interest has increased suddenly, it means more and more people have no confidence on Nifty to break 15,600 and expire above it. How many people got my point? Please let me know in the chat box. If 15,600 call open interest increased suddenly at 11 a.m., 12 p.m., anytime, That means the open interest is suggesting you, the open interest, any data which is developing right now is suggesting you that how they are thinking, who are creating the contract, how they are thinking about Nifty in the future for the rest of the day or for the days left for expiry, whether it is monthly expiry or weekly expiry. Okay. How came to know this OI or which platform is available? Opstra is available, sir, and on Nifty website you can also watch, but on Nifty website there is a data in raw format. You cannot make the bar diagram or these things. So for that, Opstra is available. So you can check out on Opstra. I will be showing you how beautifully they present the open interest data. I just love it actually, because before that I used to use a Nifty chart, Nifty table, and that was not satisfying actually, because I needed to see the numbers, raw numbers. Yeah, that is open interest is free, you can, no problem, but for more data you need to pay for that. We have a paid version. So in free version there are lots of things available. Okay, so what I was telling you, so open interest, whatever open interest in the current time period has developed, that has been developed, that has been taken, those trades has been taken for the rest of the day, for the days left for expiry. I have explained it. I have repeated it again so many times, because this is the only thing you need to understand to trade in the option, to find out the move in the market, to find out the sudden moves in the market. Okay, so this is the one example. हम सारे 2 महीने तक जो भी हम पढ़ेंगे, रोजाना एक एक डॉट निकालते जाएंगे और एंड में सारे डॉट्स को बना देंगे, ठीक है ना, कनेक्ट कर देंगे, एंड दैट विल बिकम अ बिग नॉलेज. ओके, सो हर डे एक नया केस आएगा ना सर हमारे पास, इसीलिए 10 मिनट बाद ये क्लास अभी क्लोज हो जाएगी. दोबारा से इसको ज्वाइन करना, मैं कल इसका जो है कर दूंगा इलाज. ओके, सो in open interest, what happened in 15,600, and I will also explain you, Praveen sir and Deepak sir and so many people would be able to understand what how they do. Actually, there are operators in the market and FIIs who know where is your stop loss and or where can your stop loss be, and they want to hit your stop loss and then make the move. If you are in the same direction where he wants to take, okay, so first of all he will you know, क्या मैं कहूँ कि he will kick you out from the market by hitting your stop loss, and then he will take the move. Okay, he don't want anybody to get into his car. Okay, so not actually car, that is a truck. So
बिल्कुल सही एग्जांपल है.
yes. In 15,600 मैं पूरे दिन की कहानी बताऊंगा आपको, क्योंकि आज का पूरा दिन अभी तक मुझको याद है, फिर कल की कहानी आ जाएगी, आज की कहानी हम भूल जाएंगे. In morning, when market started, there was a huge put writing and price started moving upside. Okay, there was a huge open interest on the put side. Increased means addition. Open interest, total open interest is the one story. Addition in the open interest is another story. Addition if you are trading intraday, okay, or you're watching the market, it is more important to see the addition in the open interest than total open interest. Why? Tell me in the chat box, please. Use your brain and tell me why this is more important than total open interest. If you're watching the market, if you are trading intraday, why do you need to see the addition continuously? चलो, मैंने अभी अभी आपको ये एक्सप्लेन किया है सभी लोगों। देखते हैं कौन बताता है।
Naveen, repeat again what you are asking.
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि दिन के दौरान जो टोटल ओपन इंटरेस्ट है वो तो है, मेरा मानना ये है कि एडिशन of the open interest is more important to see than total open interest. Addition or unwind? ऐसा क्यों? Exactly, Ramesh sir, Praveen sir.
That tells what happening right now.
Sridhara sir, not always shorting. Oh, you are talking about the open interest, yes.
The changing open interest tells what traders are doing right now.
Exactly, what they are thinking for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
For the rest of the day, how they are thinking, how their thinking is changing, how their thought process is changing. Those who are those people? Market movers. Market movers, how market mover is thinking. Open interest shows their action in the market. That is why this is most important. Then watching the candlestick. More and more people in the market are basic learner of the market and they see only the chart. If they are seeing that the market is going up, upside they buy, and if it is going downside they sell. They never know that from where market will fall. Getting my point? Why it will be falling? They bought on the high, it fell down very fast. They say, oh my God, price was going upside. As I bought it, it fell down. Why it fell down, I don't know. Because you are taking basic class now. You need to take the advanced class. Means you need to understand the price action and the open interest data, how to read open interest. This is only one part of intraday trading. I'm not telling you the you will be watching open interest and you will be the king of the intraday market. No. There are so many parts. This is one part of the intraday trade. So what happened today? So today what happened actually on morning when market started, more and more open interest was adding on the put side. So price was long, you need to go long. You went long, you have two screens. First is showing you the candlestick chart, your trades, your P&L, your position, anything. Second screen is showing you the open interest data. That open interest data is showing you the addition in the put open interest. It is increasing, price is going up, so you can go buy. You can go and buy. You are buying prices. And on 15,600, let me tell you, on 15,600, there was 4 million open interest, put open interest. Okay, 4 million put open interest, let me tell you. 4 million put open interest and the call open interest was 2 million. Okay, so call open interest was half of the put open interest, means Rishabh, are you there here?
Yes, sir.
You will not be understanding this. These are technical terms, but yes, after some time you'll be understanding.
Yeah, that is the only issue I'm facing. मतलब मेरे को अभी मेरे लिए jargons थोड़े वैसे हैं because I have no idea of trading, but yeah, थोड़ा time में शायद समझ में आए.
अभी ये थोड़ा सा टाइम बीतेगा ना, automatically you will be understanding this. Okay, so in the raw format, I need to tell you what happened today. Actually क्या है कि आप ट्रेडिंग तब भी सीख सकते हैं जब आप एक ट्रेडर के पास डेली बैठे.
जी जी,
ठीक है ना. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप वहां क्लास लें, यहाँ बागले सर के पास क्लास लें या किरण जाधव सर के पास जाके क्लास लें, कोई मैटर नहीं करता. किसी ट्रेडर के पास, सिंपल सी बात है, कोई बाइक ठीक करने वाला है, उसके पास आप बैठोगे तो बाइक ठीक करना सीख जाओगे. ठीक है ना. सो इन क्लासेस का जो हमारा पर्पस है वो एक ये भी है कि डेली जो ट्रेडिंग चली थी, डेली जो कुछ हुआ था, उसको अगर हम बाद में डिकोड करने की कोशिश करें तो हमें समझ में आएगा कि इस टाइम पर हमें क्या एक्शन लेना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो अभी हम इसके साथ में चीजें सीखते भी रहेंगे और अंडरस्टैंड करते रहे, ठीक है। अभी कुछ चीजें समझ में नहीं आएंगी लेकिन आगे आने लगेगी। अभी वी हैव 2 months। तो 15,600 पर in morning at 11 AM there was 4 million open interest on put open interest was 4 million and 2 million call open interest. Okay, so it was long and in in addition अभी प्राइस 600 पर था भी नहीं, अभी प्राइस 600 के आसपास था और ओपन इंटरेस्ट इतना इंक्रीज हो गया था। एंड यू सी ऑन द चार्ट, लुक एट